Lame Life Productions is excited to announce Paw Paw's Greatest Drinking Hits, Volume 2. Such fabulous tunes as Can I Free Your Doubtful Mind and Melt Your Cocoa Heart, with Pardon Me If I'm Sentimental when we say goodbye. Don't be angry with me should I cry. The Fabulous. Wise men say only fools read this, but I can't help falling in love. Hippie beat, right? Hippie beat. Also, people say I'm no good, crazy as a moon. I get stoned in the morning and get drunk in the afternoon. Kinda like my old blue tick hound, lay around in the shade. I ain't got no money, but I damn sure got it made. If you don't like the way I'm living, just leave this old redneck fart alone. That's right. Papa Top, my friend, I just got time for one more round. Set 'em up again, and I'll be gone, and you can let some other fool sit down. Better call in quick. That's me in the corner. That's me in the spotlight. Those ain't my religion. Trying to keep up with your ass. Don't know if I can do it. Oh no, I've said too much. I haven't said enough. I thought that I heard you thank me. I thought that I heard you sing. I think I thought I saw unbelievably good. Hippie beat, hippie beat, hippie beat. I can tell by your eyes that you've probably been crying forever. And the stars in the sky don't mean nothing to you. They're a mirror. I don't want to talk about it, as you broke my heart. Paw Paw's Volume 2, Greatest Drinking Hits, but only for a limited time if you act quick.